Welcome back to SS Engineers and Consultants. Today we are going to discuss about sweet corn cleaning line. It all begins with carefully planting corn seeds in rich, fertile soil. The farmers nurture the corn with water, nutrients, and vigilant pest control until it reaches its full potential. As the corn fields sway in the breeze, the moment of harvest arrives, with massive machines like combine harvesters sweeping across the fields to collect the ripe, golden cobs. Then, the task of husk removal begins, where specialized machines remove the green layer from the corn. The freshly harvested corn undergoes thorough cleansing in a bubble washer, where the remaining impurities are removed. Next, it moves to a drying facility where excess moisture is gently removed with the help of blowers present on the conveyor. Then, the delicate task of kernel separation begins, with specialized equipment removing kernels from their protective cobs, leaving the husks for reuse. These kernels are later freeze-dried in a freeze dryer, which preserves their freshness. Automated packaging machines fill freeze-dried kernels into bags and containers for dispatch to discerning consumers. Finally, this product is dispatched from the cold storage facilities depending on market demand. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.